Good morning children, welcome to my channel Computer Education 2K. Today we will see programs on conditional structures. Okay, so please try to understand these two programs, but before that please like and subscribe my channel Computer Educational 2K. Okay, now see, in a program where you have to use some conditions, there you have to use if-else command or if-else statement. So using if-else statement, you can check any conditions in a program. Now if-else statement or if-else command is used to check two conditions in a program, and if-else command is used to check more than two conditions in a program. So today we will use if-else command. Okay. Now let's see these two programs. First program is write a program to enter a number and check it is positive or negative. Before that, just see the syntax of if-else. First you have to write if, then condition, then statement, then else, then statements. Statement means all the lines, all the commands. Okay. So this is the syntax of if-else. If, condition, statements, else, condition, else, after else, but there is no condition. Keep in mind. If, condition, statements, then else, statements. Okay. So let's do the first program. You have to check here whether a number positive or negative. So till here, you know, all the line will remain same. So from here I will explain. So I have taken one variable n for the number, and I have given one message, enter any number, and by this command I have entered a number in n from the keyboard. Okay. Now you know a number is positive or negative. If a number is bigger than 0, then the number is positive, and if a number is less than 0, the number is negative. So here n represents any number. If it is bigger than 0, so here I have written if, and here if you write the conditions. So if n greater than 0, n represents any number, then you have to display the number is positive. Else you have to display the number is negative. Okay. So this is the first program. Very simple. Okay. Now suppose computer will ask you enter any number. Suppose I have entered 7. That means n will become 7. So here see, n is how much? 7. So 7 greater than 0. Yes, this condition is true, and computer will display this line. Suppose I have entered -7. That means n is becoming now -7. Now see here, -7 greater than 0. No, this time the condition is false. This is false. That's why computer will not execute this line. It will execute the else part, and it will say it is a negative number. Okay, now see one more program. Write a program to enter a number and check it is positive, odd or even. Okay, here also two conditions. In this program also there are two conditions. It may be positive, it may be negative, and here also there are two conditions, either it may be odd or even. So question is, write a program to enter a number and check it is odd or even. So till here all line remain same, and then I have taken a variable n for a number, given one message, enter a number, and here I have entered a number in n by this command. Now how to check a number is odd or even? See, if a number is divisible 8, if a number is divisible by 2, the number is even, and if the number is not divisible by 2, the number is odd. Now take a number 8. If you divide by 2, it is divisible, yes. The remainder is becoming 0. So if you divide a number by 2 and in the remainder if you are getting 0, that means the number is divisible by 2. So this logic I have used here. So here n represents any number. I am dividing the number by 2 and checking the remainder is 0 or not. You know that this sign is finds remainder. So I am dividing the number n by 2 and checking that the remainder is 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, computer will say the number is even. Okay. Now if the remainder is not 0, computer will execute the else part and say it is a odd number. It is odd. Okay. So we have seen these two programs on if-else statements. Okay. Now you will see more programs using if-else-if, where we will check more than 2 conditions. In these two programs we have checked 2 conditions, but now we will do program where we have to check more than 2 conditions. Okay, let's see